Hey everybody, Mud Beast here. Well, did a lot of work yesterday and the day before that, and I had mentioned that I was tired of talking about things getting done, and well, I want to show everybody at least the progress. It's almost all done, and I think it's going to be completed in this video. I'm hoping so. Anyway, if the smoke doesn't get too bad. It's hard to breathe when people making fires around here, but I want to show everybody what I did here. It's not talk anymore, everybody. At least I accomplished something. Here's the first part of it. This is the other little area that I turned into a little fireplace area, store some wood too. So this is the first part of it, everybody. There's the part that I started. Look how nice that looks now, eh? Isn't that something? It's a nice, beautiful space up in here. So, look at that. Cleared all of this. All the way down to the end here, almost. This part, I'm going to have to burn this brush first. Oh, it's getting strong, the smoke. Sorry, everybody. Oh. Yeah, I just have this little bit left here, and hopefully we'll get it all done in this video. I'm hoping the ground's not too solid. I know I waited a little while here. Today's a little cooler day, but I just got to find a spot to put everybody so I can finish the rest of this here. Maybe I'll grab a stump or something and show everybody what's going on. So you know what? I'll take everybody onto this side over here. Well, the fence is there, so might not be able to, as you notice. See, that's what I mean. I was going to put you guys there, but well, there's got to be another way. So, all right, we'll figure it out. Oh, that smoke is bad. Sorry, everybody. It just gets strong around here, like I said. All right, let me move the stump around. Let's see if we can get you guys close enough. You know, I don't have editing programs or a computer or anything to get anything done, so not a millionaire. So, but I'll show you guys what's actually involved in all this here. So, yeah, the only thing I'm actually using, everybody, is a snow shovel and a spade shovel. Imagine that. It works. Look how nice this turned out. That's what I mean. I'm going to give you guys a close-up. Well, that's just a little bit of dirt, but surface dirt. Pretty darn good, though. Right to the pavement, no man? So, there we go. So, let's see what I can do over here, everybody. All right. It would help if I had the other glove on. Well, I don't know if I'll be able to get the bonfire going like I wanted to, like I said in the last video, that wanted to, well, it's not too bad. So far, so good. Lucky I'm getting it now. This is just a wheelbarrow in. The previous owners there, they made a campfire on here and left all the stuff in there, so I'm gonna have to take it out. Wow. Yeah, ground's a little stiff today though. Like I said, it's cold, so I better get it now before we get the snow, everybody. So, yeah. Yeah, it's not easy work to do this. It's been a long journey. Long couple of days. So I gotta be easy on my back. As you notice, I'm using my knees a lot, so. Yeah, got some plans for this area. So, doesn't smell too good either. Whew. What happens when you're lifting up dirt that's been here a while? But like I said, it's going to look nice when it's done. So, we can take off this stuff no problem at least. I wish I had better equipment, but we always make do what we got. Like I always said, we learn by doing. Well, we keep trying. So, beautiful. I think it'll come up no problem. You know? Providing I do it all today. I don't want to wait, guys. I want to get this stuff done and over with. The sooner I do it, the better I can get something into this space. Looking forward to it. Yeah, it's turned out pretty good, everybody. Wow. That's awful. Wow. Yeah, that stuff, like I said, I'm going to have to put over there. Wow. Nails and everything, I hate that. I'll be sure not to take the mud mower in that area. Yeah, big juicy ones at the same time. Good fishing worms. Holy smokes. Holy doodle. Heavy stuff. Might have to take the spade for some of that stuff. There we go. Right tools for the job. Holy smoke. Oh. That's a lot of sod there. Wow, there's a piece of glass here too. Look at that, huh? Unreal. I never work out here when it's smoky. Should have done this earlier. Wow, piece of steel. Amazing what you find in there, a piece of steel, everybody. Goes with the rest of the junk in the pile over there. Good, it's starting to shift, that's good. There we go. Holy doodle. There you go. Ha, in the nails, eh? Unreal. And there's like dozens of these in there. Rotten nails, everybody. One thing about work like this, keeps you warm, that's for sure. Not to mention, keep you in good shape. Oh yeah. A little hard work doesn't kill nobody. It's good for you. It's gonna be nice when it's all done. real nice. Hell is all this? Some of the roots here. Yeah, well, I'm gonna have to get some Roundup in here and get rid of all the roots and stuff. The least of my worries, at least. Wow, more of these nails. Yeah, I'll have to stick that in the wheelbarrow. So the ground's a little tough today, everybody. I don't know if I'll be able to complete it all in this video, but you get the idea of what's going on here, at least. There you go. Wow, tons of glass there. My goodness. Holy doodle. Tons of glass. Unreal. Shows that people really don't care at all about the land. This is how they treat it. I got a place just for this rotten stuff here, so thank goodness for that. Oh, yeah. That's more sod. Yeah. Shoveled yet. Yeah, that stuff's good. Putting this, the good stuff in the garden. I'll show you where that is in a minute. Yeah. So now you guys see what is actually involved. Thing with land like this, or an area like this, I'm just adjusting the handle here so I can hold it better, is that if you don't maintain it, everybody, nature kind of takes the land back, if you know what I mean. So, like I said, a lot of work involved here. Not very much left, so that's kind of nice. But nice view from here, though. It's going to be a nice spot when it's done. It's huge. I'm sure everybody will agree here. So I want to show everybody where the garden spot is. You know, kind of did a lot of things all in one shot there. It's kind of worked out. See, this area here, decided to throw a lot of the dirt that was on this slab, turn it into a garden space, and the missus was okay with that. She was happy about that. Not sure if I want to get rid of that tree. Well, you guys will let me know if I'd like to get rid of the tree, but that one for sure is going to go. See that little tree there, and this one here in the middle of the garden space. You know. So this is where I've been throwing all that dirt and everything. This is the place where I'm storing the wood. So in the little burn area, it's coming along. So just want to share everybody with the progress that's going on here. I wanted to do the bonfire, but I think this stuff is still a little damp yet. So yeah, I think it's a little wet still. This stuff is pretty green, you know. Oh yeah, as you notice, pretty darn green there. So sorry everybody, I couldn't share a bonfire with you. But thanks for watching everybody, and I'm Mud Beast, and I'll see you in the next video.